Are you tired of dealing with unreliable signage suppliers who promise the world but deliver nothing but headaches? Constant delays, poor quality and outdated designs are costing your business valuable time and attention. Every moment you spend waiting for subpar signage is a moment lost in potential revenue and customer engagement. Frustrated with your signage supplier? You're not alone. Many businesses face the same challenges, feeling stuck with suppliers who just don't get it. Whether it's delayed deliveries, lack of creativity, or signage that doesn't live up to your brand, I know how challenging it can be to find a supplier you can truly count on. The struggle to maintain a consistent and appealing brand image is real, and it can be incredibly frustrating. At iDesign Advertising Dubai, we do things differently. We understand the importance of reliable, high-quality signage that reflects your brand's identity and values. We're here to solve these common pain points and provide you with signage solutions that not only meet your needs, but elevate your brand. Our team of experts is dedicated to delivering excellence in every project we undertake. Here's how we help. We start by understanding your unique business needs and brand vision. Our collaborative approach ensures that every design is tailored to your specific requirements. High-impact, custom designs that make your brand unforgettable. Our creative team works tirelessly to craft signage that stands out and leaves a lasting impression on your audience. Bright, eye-catching displays that are always delivered on time. We know how crucial timing is, and we ensure that your signage is ready when you need it without any delays. Transform any space into an immersive experience that leaves a lasting impression. Our innovative designs turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary environments that captivate and engage. Working with iDesign was a game changer for us. Not only did they deliver on time, but the quality exceeded our expectations. Our brand has never looked better, and our customers have noticed the difference. Tired of the headaches from unreliable suppliers? It's time to make a change and partner with a team that truly understands your needs. Let iDesign Advertising Dubai take your brand to the next level with signage solutions that get results. Our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction sets us apart from the rest. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how we can help you stand out in a crowded market. Our team is ready to bring your vision to life with innovative and impactful signage solutions. Visit us at Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at iDesignards. Stay updated with our latest projects and see how we can transform your brand.